Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Angel, and this is my sister, Carol. So today we're making a slime video. I did not know how to make slime at all. Yep.
So I'm not gonna be telling him how. I'm just gonna be telling him what goes in order, and he's gonna do it. So first, let's show you guys what we have to make slime.
First, we got clear glue.
And of course you need activator. We have borax.
And we got
Color.
we got color pink and
I said color for smile. For slime. And then we've got glitters. We have this colorful one and a silver one.
And then we got what's it called? A bowl. Yeah. And we got a spoon, of course, to shake, mix,
Sorry, he doesn't know how to explain sand. Okay, so let's get started.
First, you guys might see us drink a lot because this is Coke. So
this is mine.
Yeah, oh yeah, this is mine. Yeah. All right. Where do we start? Glue.
Just since it's your first time, don't use a lot. I said since it's his first time, don't use a lot.
It's nothing. Just use it. All right. Tell me when to stop. Okay.
You're doing it on the spoon, you idiot. Okay, go. Just wasted an inch of glue.
An inch?
Or whatever it's called. Summer, guys. I don't know math. Even though it's only been a week.
What do you mean?
Whatever.
Who's Dominic? Wait, is that his name? Oh.
I know.
What? Damn,
that's about it.
It looks like a butt.
It's not good at all. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is add color. So pick pink or blue.
Of course, blue. Of course, blue. Alright. So Hector, get out! No one likes you. Sorry, my brother, because he's trying to get a
Hector, pick it up. No,
Sorry?
pick it up.
Sorry?
Background.
Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. ¿Qué lo puso ahí?
Sorry?
¿Quién lo puso? ¿Quién lo puso?
He will be back.
Sorry for the noise.
Sorry about the background noises.
Yep. So we're gonna put color blue to the slime. So tell me how much, okay?
Just about 2.
I just did 2.
Okay, that's it. Because it's just. So let's show them so far.
It looks like. Okay, never mind.
Not just.
Mix it.
Yeah.
Really?
Ow.
That's it. This is easy.
He thinks it's easy.
It's easy. It looks like easy. Oh, shoot! It's getting bigger. Whoa.
You want to make sure you.
Why can't you film?
Porque esas
One shot.
eso los hacen como el sabe hombre 17
how
traen la
much so
carne
far?
ya hecha preparada no para echarla
Okay, I think that's it.
da unas 2 semanas una semana 2 semanas
Right?
Okay, so this one you have to be careful.
Tell me when to stop.
No, like I can't.
what's up
That's what I did.
Wait, so I gotta put a little bit.
Here, put it on the spoon more. A little tiny bit. Like you know how that much? No. How much like that is?
Really? That's it?
Too much.
That's actually too much?
Esta carne,
You have to do a little bit at a time.
Really?
Sir,
Really?
are you taking me tomorrow?
I got
What?
mixed.
Are you taking me tomorrow, or who's taking me tomorrow?
You gotta find out what, yeah.
Okay, but I'm not gonna join. It's just knowing who. Yeah,
it is.
no.
Yeah, if I don't take you over.
Why don't you take me?
Sorry about the
But I gotta cut
background
some
music.
trees first thing
We
in the
have a
morning.
busy family.
But I should be
This
done.
is
It's
my
at
house,
2.
by the way. We're making this video at my cousin's house.
I
I gotta talk loud. So this is my
No.
cousin's house. Sorry, it's really busy a lot. Like, yeah, we're just a rich family. We try to get some more money by making YouTube video, right? Please smash that subscribe.
Sorry, it's our first video and we act like we have billions of subscribers watching us.
Yeah.
There's probably only like one person watching
Yeah,
this.
it's probably like one person. Hopefully in the
You
future
know
we
how
get.
you put videos and you're like, this is bad quality.
Yeah.
Like you're like, nah, these
See?
videos are, like, they only have like 2 subscribers.
Yeah.
That's how we feel. That's how we are.
Please, Oh, you can un gatito. Oh,
Les voy a dar la mitad a cada uno porque nomás están dos.
okay, now me okay.
This
No,
time
mira.
make an outro. You feel?
Please smash that subscribe button.
Like, comment,
Please.
share, and subscribe.
And like
smash
the video.
that like button.
We're trying to hit like 20 million subscribers. We gotta be like the best YouTubers in the world. Better than Jake Paul, better than Dude Perfect and stuff like that.
Obviously, he's overreacting,
No.
exaggerating. So, sorry guys. Okay, this might be like a funny video instead of a slime video.
Alright.
Like,
God, are we done?
Let's do a video where we react to
let's
try
do a
not to laugh
skit.
video.
Let's do a skit.
What's a skit?
Shut up.
Like when you're
Shut up. We're making a video.
like,
Alright.
what? Like,
Got him.
okay, fine. I'll take you guys after.
Alright, so what do you do next?
I don't want to ruin the surprise for you.
Alright, what do
Bobby,
we
you
do
want one?
next? What?
No, quiere la mitad.
Okay.
What do we do next?
Güey, Lili.
What do we do? Hey!
You said you didn't want any.
Ah!
You said you didn't want any.
Shut
up!
Fabi, ¿quieres o no quieres?
No.
Ah, entonces,
Exactly.
This might be like
Shut up!
this might be like
Hey.
a 30-minute vlog.
You said it first.
You mean video?
Ven.
It's not a vlog.
Oh, whatever.
hey, agárralo así. Despacito, no tires en el,
No, you stop.
en el
Just
sillón.
keep adding
Carol,
until it comes together.
You stop.
cómetelo ya. Ten. Aquí póngalo. Sí, ya lo quiero. Fabi, ¿no quisiste, mijo? ¿Ya te lo comiste todo? ¿Tú no quieres un pedazo, mijo? ¿Qué es eso? No sean tontos. De a poquito.
We're trying. If you know Spanish, sorry. We're just a fat family. We eat a lot, okay? Our favorite thing in the world is food. So,
I bet some people can relate.
yeah.
That's what you just said.
I'm ready to do this. I never
Guys, this might be like a 30-minute slime video.
Okay, honey.
No, honey, no. You ate
You need to
it.
mix faster.
Did you just tell your sister?
I did that. You ate, honey. No, I'm putting borax. Hold the
Tiny
scoop.
bit.
Ya sabes,
No,
cogí los
scoop.
camotes angelinos para pagarle.
You need to get all the slime, not just one big clump.
All right, you mix. You mix.
Okay, put some borax in. Put some borax in, I said.
Bueno,
Might put a
lo
lot.
bueno es que ya echaste los de arriba para abajo, ¿verdad?
Is that all?
I mean,
Echo.
really, but kind of.
Shut up.
You feel me?
Shut up. You shut up.
Okay, I think now we gotta need.
¿Quién se va a quedar aquí?
Who's staying the night?
Me.
Nobody. Hector, are you staying the night?
No,
No, you're a little baby, huh?
Nobody's staying here.
Yeah, Fabi and Fallon are staying the night.
Háblenle a su mamá si los van a dejar.
My mom says no, I'm too young.
Fallon, why mom?
If you want me alone.
I'm making a video. I'm making a video.
I'm making a video.
I'll call her for you.
Okay, so I don't think this slime turned out good because he decided to add too much more.
Háblenle a su mamá si los va a dejar dormir aquí.
No.
Yeah, this is really rubbery.
Well, I heard that. I'm joking. Is it 10,005?
Is your mom and her mom?
I know you heard me, Fabi.
Is it 10,005?
I know you heard me.
I did it.
Swear to God that.
I just heard 10,005, right? Whatever.
She just didn't answer. She freaking.
Okay, so here's the result. It's like bouncy.
Really?
Like it's not even slime. Okay, you just ruined it.
Was it actually that? Alright, guys, we're making a new slime. Get out. Huh? Get a new bowl. Go get a new bowl.
I don't know.
There should be a new thing. You're trying to make slime, but you put too much borax. There should be a bouncy slime.
That is something.
Really?
You think we're the first people to have bouncy slime?
Yep.
Okay. ¿No vamos a ir a agarrar ropa para ellos?
No, we could just sleep in this.
Okay. Okay, bye.
Okay.
Dude, I should start asking her more. She didn't even think about it. She just said, yeah, I'll go pick up Hector right now. I just came to save more. And I was like, that was too easy.
Okay, whatever.
Hey, we're sleeping here.
Bobby, don't eat all the Skittles like a fat pig.
Look how he made his slime.
I'm just kidding.
It's bouncy.
Do you guys know how much I ate candy? Or I ate.
You ate a whole bag of M&Ms.
I ate a whole
No,
bag
it
of
wasn't even a
M&Ms.
bag of M&Ms. It was like huge bag.
It was like
it's not
this
like
big.
those ones on the when you're gonna pay.
Plus halfway of chips and more Skittles. I feel like I need
I
to
would throw
look.
up. I would throw up.
I tried. Alright, Lily, can you get us a new bowl?
No, Abuela doesn't let us use her bowls.
So how we get bowls?
Wash it.
Or just get another of these cups.
Please?
Yeah?
Yeah, alright. I'm sorry, this might be like
We're
a...
gonna start over, and this time I'm gonna pour the wax.
Yes. This might be like a 50 minutes.
So you can sell these on eBay. You guys can buy it. So it's a bouncy ball, homemade. You know.
Here.
You know, I'll get. Okay. What do you know do now? Okay. We're gonna start over and make this a little bit more quicker.
Okay.
He sucks. Add a little bit. Because you just ruined it. Because I like being.
Can we just get to the glitter part
Do you want to add glitter at the end or
right now? I want to add glitter.
let's make this slime clear slime so we can add glitter and look cool.
Yeah, I want clear slime, please.
Okay, but
No, these shitty stuff.
Give me the blue. Give me the blue. Whoa! Shoot. Okay, what glitter do you want?
Can you stick your little tiny hand on the couch and get me the paint?
What?
Stick your hand on the couch and give me the paint.
Looks more cool.
Okay. Please?
A mouse might bite you, but I mean, that's okay, right?
You can't see it because it's clear. I'm gonna add some glitter. Okay, that was a little bit too overdone. Okay, now mix it.
Do you see it?
Gotta look, this spoon. Go get this spoon.
No, it's clear off.
Thank you, Hector. You're such a good cousin. You're so nice, even though I'm a fucking asshole to you. Okay. Isn't it weird?
No,
Oh,
I'm
that looks so cool.
It does?
Yeah.
¿Ya le hablaron a tu papi?
See?
Sí, dijo que sí.
Ok. ¿Quién y quién se va a quedar?
No, it's done.
Nomás Fabi y Carol.
Hey, we gotta make the
Pero,
Go.
va a venir
Okay,
por
we have to
Héctor
add-
ahorita.
Okay, ready?
Dijo que se
think
fue a
that's a
la
little
tienda,
Too much glitter.
a la Save Mart.
switches on my mom's
Huh?
phone.
¿Qué pasó?
Let the switches after my mom comes.
I gotta press it.
It's just like that because the battery. Okay, I don't think we're gonna need more.
For it.
Yeah.
Thank God my
Okay.
sister knows how.
Oh, you know what this looks like? From Trolls, you know that glittery person?
Oh yeah.
Oh, what the heck? You just gotta need. God, don't make me one like that.
No, give it.
But I want it with the other glitter.
Gotta give it. Never mind, you can do that shit.
This is child friendly, Fabi.
Oh yeah. Sorry.
Okay.
Oh, ready?
What? I said I think this one turned out like the other one.
Ready?
You just have
No,
to
you
add
didn't.
lotion?
That's not what you said.
Yes, I did.
Yeah.
Even told Fabi.
Lily,
You can even watch the video.
Lily, where?
What?
Look,
What?
Are you ready?
you know her.
I don't even have a chance to do it.
She thinks that
Is this butter slime?
No. Felipa thinks Echo is cute.
Yep. But she looks like like her nose is.
Is that why you did it?
Can you shut up? Because I think she's going to be watching this video after I tell her to subscribe.
Oh.
Is that why you dated it? Why'd you date it?
Oh, I just wrote up. A video is going on. So.
Fabi, I want to know why you dated her. If you think she's so ugly. Echo,
Look. Oh. Oh.
shut up. Don't tell Dominic what to do.
I'm going to bring some lotion.
Lotion. Look, guys. Look. Let's
Oh,
try
shut
to
up.
make it.
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
crocodile
Guys, look at my hands. Move. So glittery.
Guys, look at my fingers.
Child friendly.
We're like we're.
We're the friendliest channel on YouTube.
Why do we need to add lotion?
So it won't get more. I don't think it's going to work anymore because.
What's your phone number?
Yeah, this isn't going to work out.
Hey, at least post it and say epic fail though.
Oh, yeah.
Should we?
No.
Yes.
It looks cool though.
Look, we gotta show. We gotta show the.
Maybe we should switch to my phone
Two
too.
days.
We have to show the Kale
Can't
family.
skip it.
This is the Kale family.
Guys,
Kale family.
Wait, Lily, are you gonna be on our YouTube channel?
Yeah, the Kale family.
Yeah, the cow family.
Sounds like
You
cow.
want to go to
No, it doesn't.
Okay, guys, we're gonna end this
subscribe to
video
our
right
channel?
here.
Look,
Because
yeah.
the battery's gonna die on this.
Look, we gotta show
looks
you. It looks cool though. Look.
It's kind of like a putty. It feels kind of weird.
Hey, at least it pops though. Yeah. Okay. Alright, we're done, you guys.
Subscribe to our channel.
Okay, so that's the end of today's video.
So
I hope you guys liked our first video,
Yeah,
even though it was an
please.
epic fail.
please, we need money. No, but who cares? We still love you guys, even though we have like 2 subscribers.
We love you, 2 subscribers.
It's probably like,
Oh, go subscribe.
I'll subscribe.
That
please go subscribe.
Okay, what's your channel name?
Angel.
No.
Oh, alright, we're gonna end this video, guys.
Bye.
I don't know, what is it called?